afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon, Kanesh. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you so much. How's your day going?
Ma'am, it is normal only.
Okay. Normal. What is normal for you?
The things I do always.
I don't live with you, so I don't know what things do you do always.
Okay, today I woke up at, you can say 10 o'clock because I was having a class at 11:45, my Hindi assignment. Then I did my Hindi assignment class. In that class, ma'am told us that how you have to do this assignment. Then after the class I was watching movie with my mother because today my father is in his office because from like from today in my father's office there would be a vaccination camp that you can go and get a vaccine. So that's why my father is also in that team only, that he also
Hmm.
has to manage the camp.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it, got it, got
That's why he is in office, and me and my mother are watching a movie. But now I'm having a class, Bhavya ma'am's class. So
it.
I'm here with you in the class. And after this class, me and my mother will watch the movie, or I don't know if my mom watching the movie right now or not.
Okay, what movie were you watching?
It was on Prime Video.
Yeah, but what was the topic of the movie? Matlab, what was the name of the movie?
Ma'am, Sandeep and Pinky Faraj.
I don't even know if I've heard this name before or not.
It is on Prime Video.
It is?
On Prime Video, Prime.
Okay, okay.
You know about Amazon Prime?
Yeah, of course I know. Of course, yes, yes, yes.
And
Just,
why Pixie is barking today?
I guess somebody is at the door. So yeah, for sure.
Could be a stranger for her.
Yes, either the postman or the delivery person or our elevator is not working properly. So the repairing man, some or other person must be there. That is why she's barking. Otherwise, she doesn't bark. Yeah, somebody is definitely there. Huh, okay. Now, just give me a second. No, Kanishk, I have to calm her down. Just give me a minute. Okay, yes. So sorry. So sorry for that. Okay, Kanishk, I have sent you the. You are on mute first of all, and yeah, I have sent you the this thing worksheet related to idioms and proverbs. Have you done that?
A lot of time back.
Sorry, I can't hear you properly. What?
You sent it a lot of time back. You can say before the test class.
Yes, yes. Before
That
the
one, idioms.
idioms, yes, we have done idioms, right?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I wrote the sentences at that time only.
Okay, let's see how we have written
Can I
last.
go to washroom?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Okay, yes. Okay. So you said you have already done the homework long time back only. So let's discuss that first and move with the class, okay? I have to discuss and I have to see if you are using the idioms in the proper way or not. So let's discuss the homework first and then we'll move to the class.
first sentence, who will do the bathing first so far that we can show our hands?
Sorry, can you repeat? Who will do the bathing first? So for that,
So for that, we can show off hands.
let's do show of hands for who will go for the bath first. Frame it in this way.
Yes, ma'am, like that only. Okay,
Hmm.
okay, ma'am. Second sentence. You look very blue around the gills.
Correct. Third.
This is the beginning of the bigger problem.
Correct. Next.
Please don't leave me alone. I'm afraid of one's own shadow.
Correct. Next.
My friend always lent an ear.
Next.
Next, I play cards in YouTube.
I know how
YouTube,
to play my cards. I know how to play my cards properly in YouTube or related to anything related to YouTube. You can use it like that. I play my cards in YouTube. मतलब आप YouTube में cards खेल रहे हो.
other sentences. YouTube is a back of hand.
For me, YouTube is like a
For
back
me,
of
yeah,
hand for me. Hmm.
for me. Now you broke the glass. Face the music now.
Sorry again.
Now you broke the glass. Face the music now.
What does broken glass mean?
Ma'am, I don't remember, but it means that you have to handle the situation on your own.
Okay, next.
Next is, I don't know how did you work in your exam. You will just get the deserving marks.
I'm not getting this. What was the idiom here, Kanish?
Ma'am, deserving.
That is not even an idiom. Deserving is a verb.
Ma'am, because I was not able to use that idiom here, that the thing has you done, you will get you will get the deserving points or something like that. But if I will do that idiom here, it would be not a correct sentence. It will not be very cool sentence. That's why.
Okay.
And other question, my friend is a cool guy.
Correct. Very easy one.
Sometimes my father is in a hot moment.
Sometimes
He
my father reacts in heat of moment.
okay.
That is how we make
Other
it. Hmm.
okay, ma'am. Other question, other answer is Kavi always toot his horn, toot his own horn.
Correct. Next.
Next, in the market, the market has not able to make head or tail of it. Sorry, ma'am. I'm telling you again. In the market, in the market, I am not able to make head or tail of it.
I'm in the market and I cannot make a head or a tail regarding what I need to buy.
Yes, ma'am.
I cannot decide, so I cannot make a head or a tail regarding what I have to buy. Hmm.
Other question. My mother is a backseat driver.
Next, every mom is.
Other. My mother sometimes blow a fuse.
Eyes. My mother sometimes blow a fuse. Sometimes.
Next. Okay. When I play a lot of games, so I feel like dead as doornail.
When I play a lot of games, at the end of the day, I feel like dead as doornail. Your
Yes,
sentence are majorly incomplete, Kanishk, so try to complete your sentence.
okay.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Then.
Other question. My father and mother just no. My mother and father jump on my throat.
My mother and father usually jump on my throat. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Hmm.
Expecting something at face value, don't remember the mean. Oh, ma'am, of this question I didn't remember the meaning of.
What was the idiom? What is the idiom?
Ma'am, the idiom is expecting something at face value, don't remember the mean. Don't
Like,
remember the mean is that I don't remember the mean.
मेरे को मतलब what was the idiom? I didn't even get the idiom properly.
Ma'am, expecting something at face value.
Putting something at face value, matlab you are getting what you have expected. You are getting what you deserve, basically.
Okay. Its answer, its meaning I don't know, so that's why I didn't wrote any.
Didn't write. Mm-hmm.
Next.
Huh.
This one I also don't remember. Poker face.
Means no emotions. A face without any emotion. Blank face.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
And other answer, he is a just of the boat in Minecraft.
Okay.
Ma'am, these were the questions and answers.
Very good, Kanish. Very good. You tried to use them in your sentences. You tried to even make sense out of them. But what happened is just because I'm your trainer and I know that this were the idioms and the meaning of this idiom is this, the meaning of that idiom is this. I know the meaning. That's why I could figure out what you're trying to say. Otherwise, your most of the sentence are half. Okay, they are not giving me the full meaning out of it. They're giving me the half meaning out of it. So if I am someone unknown to the idioms, okay, then I won't be able to figure out what you're trying to say. Other than that, if I'm someone who is well versed with the idioms, who know the meaning and everything related to idioms, then मैं कर लेती. But मुझे अगर नहीं पता होता, तो I wouldn't be able to figure out what you are trying to say. So for that, what you have to do is you have to try to give out the full meaning of your context. That is what the language is about, that you are trying to explain the other person about your emotions, about whatever is there. आप उसको समझाने का try करो whatever you want to say. उसके लिए आप क्या करोगे? You will try to make it as much informative as you can, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so the same thing you have to do with the idioms as well whenever you're using it in your sentences. ठीक है? Okay. Now, for the today's class, I am giving you two words. Okay, two words there, you man. You have to frame a story on it, and you have to spot on tell me the story. Okay, the words.
Put on those words.
Yes, you have to use those two words, and you have to make a story using those two words. Now, the words which I'm already providing it to you, they are the words which is used in one of the very famous stories which almost every person have heard in their entire life. Okay, each and every person has heard it in their entire life. So you have two options. The first one is monkey and the crocodile. No, monkey and crocodile मैं नहीं दे रही हूँ क्योंकि वो हर एक को आती है story बनाना. The story for you is shoemaker and elves. You must have heard this. This story comes in each and every school. Each and every student knows about this story.
I have learned this story in nursery or KG or first.
Hmm.
But
Second,
I don't
third.
remember the whole story. But the the story I remember right now, I will tell you.
Or else make story by your own. Do whatever fits best. आधी जो याद है वो बोलो, आधी खुद से बनाओ. Up to you. Whatever fits best to you. Because I just want you to speak and I want you to speak correctly. That is what I am concerned with. You make story by yourself, that would be very great. You tell me the story that you know, that would be very great. After all, our focus and our motto is that you speak in English without any pauses and without any mistakes.
Can I start?
Yeah, yeah. Shall I start? Or else may I start? Whenever the person is elder to you, let it be in profession or in age, you have to use may. Can you can only use with the people who are of your age, who are of the same profession, or who are younger than you. आपसे कोई छोटा है profession में or in the age, you can use can for that. If someone is elder than you in the profession or in the age, you will use may for that. So yes, you can start.
A man who makes shoes and sells shoes. So he was just thinking that now tomorrow I have to sell shoes and I have to make the shoes also, but I have not completed the shoes. So how would I sell them? So in the night he
How
thought,
will I sell
I
them?
how will I sell them? Because I don't know that I know that people would not buy these incomplete shoes. So then he
Incomplete
thought
shoes.
that, yes, ma'am. Then he thought that now I will sleep. I will see what will happen in the morning. So when he woke up in the morning, the shoes were ready already. The shoes
Okay.
were already ready, and he was very surprised that these shoes are already ready, but I didn't ready these shoes. These were the
I didn't make them
uncompleted.
incomplete.
These shoes are the incomplete shoes.
Hmm.
Then he was very happy. Then he goes in the market and sell those shoes. And the money he got from the shoes, he buys some bread for him and and his wife.
Some bread for him and his wife. Okay. Okay.
Then the man goes home and he told her
Her
that
ya
he
his.
can
Her ya his.
his
Told his wife.
told his wife that I bought some bread, so we can eat bread. Then they both eat bread and
Then they both ate bread.
then they both ate bread. Then they talked to each other. The shoemaker says that
Hmm.
I didn't ready the shoes, but how the shoes were ready?
I didn't make the shoes. I didn't complete the shoes. Both of them are correct. Choose anyone. I didn't make the shoes, or I didn't prepare the shoes, or I didn't complete the shoes.
Didn't make the shoes, but how the shoes were already completed? He was just thinking about that, and then in the other night, he thought, now I will just keep the shoes unready, and then I would just hide somewhere behind the curtain,
I would keep the shoes incomplete.
I would keep the shoes incomplete, and I will see from the curtain that behind the curtain that that who will come and what will happen. Then in the night he goes behind the curtain,
Then
and
at the night,
at the night he keeps a ready shoe on his
incomplete
table,
shoes.
incomplete shoe, and then he he hid it he hid it behind the curtain. Then after some time there were some elves. Yes, ma'am, elves.
Elves, elves. ELF, elf, and the plural is ELVES, elves.
Elves. Then he was surprised that the elves come and make my shoes, complete my shoes. Then he saw that and he was very happy that these elves come and help me.
Elves came
So,
and helped him. Hmm.
so in the morning he told his wife that you please make you make just 3 clothes for the elves, small clothes. Then in the night he goes at his, like, you can say, shop, and then keeps a complete shoes there, and then the clothes of the elves also. He he again hides behind the curtain and then sees that will the elves come today. Then the elves come, and then
Came. The elves
the,
came. Come is
the
not a
elves
word.
came.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am. And then the elves took the uh, took the clothes and completed the shoes also. Then they were very happy. In that time only, the shoekeeper
The
come
shoemaker
shoemaker come out of the
came out of the.
came out of the curtain and says, "Thank you so much, elves." Then they ran, and from the other night they didn't come.
From the next night, they didn't come.
Yes, ma'am. This was the story. I remember.
Okay, good. The story was correct. So he had to complete the order of 100 shoes and he was not able to complete it. So he just thought, okay, let me sleep. We'll see this in the morning. What happens? We'll see it in the morning. Let me sleep now because he was very tired of completing his job. And then he went to sleep. Then he went to sleep. And overnight, elves came and they made the shoes for him. And he completed his order and he earned money. Correct. Your whole story was correct. Next topic words are monkey and crocodile and apple. Try to make one story by yourself. Use your brains. Monkey, crocodile, apple. This is very famous Panchtantra story folktale. Very, very, very famous. Everyone knows this story.
I don't remember because we learned these stories in our childhood only.
You are still a child. Come on.
I am, but now we don't learn these stories.
Yeah, but these are the stories which everyone has heard and which everyone remember. So either make one by yourself or narrate the one which you know.
I think I remember some. So what happens that there were a
You can
monkey.
ask your mom if she remembers कि मम्मा आपको याद है बंदर मगरमच्छ और सेब वाली story.
I will try. Then if I would be not able to remember, I will ask my mother. So in that story, there was a monkey, a crocodile, and an apple.
And an apple, yes. These three are the major a monkey, crocodile, crocodile's wife, and an apple. चलो मैंने आधी story तो ऐसे बता दी. These four are the they play the major role in the story.
Okay. So the monkey thought that I want that apple. but that apple is is higher than his height. Then he saw a crocodile. He asked the crocodile, "Can I, can I jump on you and get that apple?"
How come monkey cannot jump normally?
And because that was in the middle of water, that's why. Then the crocodile says,
Okay, how did monkey पहुंचाई कैसे? How did monkey reach in the middle of water then? In the middle of river or lake or pond, whatever it was.
he was at the corner of the pond, but a crocodile was coming. He saw the crocodile and said that, "Can I jump on you?" Then the crocodile said, "Okay." Then he jumped on crocodile. Then he took the apple. Then the crocodile says, "Can you come
Crocodile
at
said.
my?"
Crocodile
The
said.
crocodile said, "Can you come at my house? We will just have the apple together."
Then.
Please wait a second. Then you please come at my house. Please wait a second. Then the crocodile fastly goes at his house and tells her wife that
Tells his
his
wife.
wife his wife that a monkey is coming at our home. He just makes some food, but when he will eat his food, we will kill him and we will eat him. Then, um, then they decided, let us call him now. Then they calls, then they calls the monkey.
What was the monkey doing by the time crocodile went at his house? By the time, what was monkey
By the
doing?
time, by the time monkey was just roaming in the forest. Then the crocodile calls the monkey. The monkey came at their house, but when he came at their house, he heard that thing from outside that they're going to eat me. So he also planned something for them. Then what he did when he came at the crocodile house, he said that, "Today I don't want to eat anything. My stomach is full. I don't want to eat. So we can do lunch after some time, or you can say after few days." So okay, I'm going. Then the crocodile says, "Just sit for a second." Then he says, "No, I will not sit." And then he
Was
ran out of the forest. Yes, ma'am.
okay. The actual story was like this: that once there was a monkey who lived on the tree of an apple, well, a tree of apples, full of apples, and the crocodile wanted to have the apple. He was feeling very lonely. So the monkey gave him the apple. The crocodile became friends with the monkey and invited him over for a dinner one day. When he went there, his wife was like, "Are you stupid? How can you be friends with the monkey? He's our meal. We should eat him." So monkey heard that. So crocodile was like, "Yeah, okay, now we'll eat him." So the wife of crocodile told the monkey that, "Can you please give us your heart? We want to eat it. And now you cannot even run away because you're in the middle of the river. Now you cannot even run away without our help." So the monkey was like, "Hey, can you please wait for a minute because uh, I am currently not having my brains with me. It is left on the tree where I live. So my brain is with the tree on the tree where I live. So can you please take me back to that tree? I'll just bring my brain and then we'll brain or heart, whatever they wanted to have, and then we'll go back." So the crocodile and the wife, they were so foolish and silly and stupid. They were like, "Yeah, okay, no problem." Then they took him to his own tree, the apple tree, where he was living, and um, monkey climbed up on the tree, and then he was like, "Do you really think I'm that stupid that I would not carry my heart or brain with me? You guys are really stupid that you believed in me." And then the monkey rescued himself, and crocodile and his wife were like, "Yeah, okay, no problem. We made fool of ourselves." This is the story. Okay. Next. Yeah. Next topic. What topic we should be?
How much stories are there? Can we talk about any topic?
We always talk about topic. We have to try different activities which would encourage you to speak more and more. So yeah, because see, uh, I've noticed this that when you have to talk about your day-to-day life, you are very fluent and you don't make mistakes. But when I give you some specific topic to talk about, you make mistakes with the tenses. So we need to engage in more activities जिसमें उसमें भी आपकी topic में mistakes ना हो. Next is the very famous Panchtantra story folklore, which you might have read. Okay, chalo. Let's not do this. Tell me what have you watched in the movie till now? You said na you were watching this movie with your mom.
It's a Hindi movie. There was a girl, and the girl was just scamming people
Girl was scamming people. Okay, she was a
from
fraud.
their bank account. She always make fake bank accounts and then says that if you will invest this much money, you will get a lot of money of this only. So then he got a lot of money.
She
Got a lot of money, 150 billion, and and then she was rich, but his boss was not giving
her
her. Her boss was not giving her money. Then she was very angry when he told that I am
she
also.
told
He told that now I am pregnant also, and I want money too. But the his manager, or you can say
her
boss,
manager
did give her manager didn't give the boss
didn't
sorry
give the
give the money. So they're just running from there only right now. They're not doing such anything. They are living at someone's house, and now they also know that these are the scammers. So the thing is that they're just finding how to cross the Nepal border. So they are making passports for themselves. This is the story till now I have watched.
they are making fake passports for themselves or original passports.
Uh, Ma'am, I think original passports because they were taking photographs also.
Fair enough. Okay. Kanish, the mistakes which I've noticed that you were making a lot today is he she में बहुत mistakes हो रही है आज. लड़की में ही
Her
हो जा
form.
रहा है. हाँ. He's her में बहुत mistake हो रही है. There's two things. He's her and he she. You need to work on that. Other than that, did के साथ we are never going to use V3. Did के साथ हमेशा V1 होता है. So did went is wrong. Did go is right. Okay. Did के साथ the verb will be in its original form only.
Go to the beach.
हाँ, they didn't go to the beach. They didn't went to the beach is wrong. They didn't know the answer is correct. They didn't knew the answer is wrong. So whenever you're using did, उसके साथ हमेशा you will use V1 only. V3 is incorrect. Okay.
If we will say didn't know, we didn't know, it would
हाँ,
be right.
yeah, it is right. Didn't knew is wrong. So whenever you're using did, उसके साथ हमेशा use V1 not V3. V3 is totally incorrect. Your spoken, your impression, if it would be here, it would literally drop to here because you are using two V3s in one sentence. एक sentence में V3 कभी भी एक साथ नहीं आते. If you are using did, then you will use V1. If you are not using did और आपको past tense use करना, you can use V3. But did and V3 can never go along. They can never come together in single sentence. Okay. Other than that, whenever your noun is singular or it starts with he, she or it, उसके पीछे you will add s or es after the verb. If it's not, then you will not add s or es. You will keep the verb in its original form. Like you take your lunch, he takes his lunch. The difference is like this. So whenever it's he, she, it, uske piche you will add s or es. But if it's not, then you will keep the verb in its original form. Okay. Keep these things in your mind. Pronoun में you were making mistakes, he, she or his, her में. So I'm going to send you a worksheet of the same, which you have to do it in the homework, which will ensure that you are not making any mistakes in that. Other worksheet which I'm sending you is did के साथ V1 use करना है वो वाली worksheet. So I'm sending you these two worksheets which you have to do it in your homework so that you don't make that mistake again in the class or whenever you're speaking.
Next class. Wednesday.
Wednesday, yeah. Okay.
Then I will
By the end of the day, see, your homework will be sent to you maximum within 24 hours. 24 hours में आपको मिल जाता है homework.
in the morning tomorrow.
Yeah, if it's not sent in 24 hours, then समझ लो ना कि there is something issues with my laptop or Wi-Fi. क्योंकि it's like this कि हम अगर homework नहीं भेजते
Tell my father that now you can leave.
हाँ, because क्या होता है कि if we don't send homework within 24 hours, so we have to pay the penalty. हमें penalty लगती है. So we have to send homework within 24 hours. So in the extreme situations when either our Wi-Fi is not working or our laptop is not working or we are out of station, either if the situation is like that, then and then only we are not able to send you homework within 24 hours. Otherwise, your homework will reach to you within 24 hours. Okay? Okay. I'll see you on Wednesday. Keep the things which I've told you in your mind and do your homework. Okay. Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
You too. Have a nice